quick ratio. This is one of the ratios I use when considering if a company's shares are worth buying or not. This is calculated by quick ratio equals the current assets of a company minus its stock divided by current liabilities, and this will give the quick ratio. The definition of a quick ratio is: the quick ratio is a financial ratio used to gauge a company's liquidity. The quick ratio is also known as the acid test or acid test ratio. The quick ratio compares the total amount of cash and cash equivalents, that's cash and items that can easily be converted into cash, plus marketable securities, plus accounts receivable, to the amount of current liabilities. Another description here is quick ratio acid test. Does the company have enough cash or enough assets that can be easily turned into cash to cover the short-term liabilities of the company? An example of a ratio is if a company's cash and cash equivalents plus marketable securities plus accounts receivable, this is items that can be soon turned into cash, adds up to 1 million, and the amount of the company's current liabilities is 1.2 million, its quick ratio is 0.83. That's a million divided by 1.2 is 0.83. And it says here a quick ratio. What is a good quick ratio? A company is able to meet its short-term obligations by converting its short-term assets into cash. A company is able to meet its obligations without selling off inventory. A company is over-leveraged. So it says here the quick ratio represents the amount of short-term marketable assets available to cover short-term liabilities, and a good quick ratio is 1 or higher. The greater the number, the more liquid assets a company has to cover its short-term obligations and debts. I'm using my Trading 212 platform, and I've picked a share at random that I own, and it's Yamana Gold. Now, if you scroll down, and it gives you the key ratios, carry on scrolling down, and it goes to all ratios. Then if you go to financial strength, and you've got different ratios there, current ratios, and it comes up with a quick ratio, and the quick ratio for Yamana Gold is 1.73, which is over 1, so that is a good sign. And this means that the company has enough cash or items that they can easily turn into cash to cover, more than cover, the short-term liabilities. So this is only one of the formulas I use. I hope you understand it a bit clearer now. It pay you to consider this when you are looking at all shares. This is only one of the many methods I look to use when I'm determining if a share is worth considering to purchase or not, but quick ratio is often used a lot of the time. So anything over 1 is good, anything under 1 generally is not good. So I hope you found this little presentation and explanation on quick ratios useful. Any questions or comments, most welcome, and all will receive an answer. Till next time, I bid you a really happy and successful investing adventure.